supposedly I'm not a great swimmer. He came and told me my form was wrong. One poster of boss came. They chose to put that photo. He's just doing this, and I'm like this close to his mouth with his denims and one tied up thing. Hello, Basu. Mahaklasu. Ala chuste. Mama Masu. He came and asked me, "आप जॉब करते हैं?" And I said, "आप तेलुगु है ना?" He said, "हाँ मैडम इधर से ही." ऐसे मेरा पिक्चर नहीं देखा आपने? अय्या. नहीं, you look like somebody who's kind of famous, but I didn't know it's you. अच्छा, it's you. Oh. Minimize it, open another window, and then I wrote how to cut onion easily. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम स्नैक बनाएंगे. पहले हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम 2 ऑनियन लेंगे. अगर आपके पास ऑनियन नहीं है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है तो फिर ऑनियन मत लो. Tomorrow I go day after the middle dinner. It's showing every day. And I'm doing 70 laps. It's a 25-meter pool in Jubilee Hills, behind Neeru's. 65, 70 laps. No, it's not feeling the effort. If I have to do gym for half an hour, it's like...
But mom, I don't know much, but I'm just saying, now that you're going to shred now, mom, if you start the strength training at least like 3 times a week, you're going to get the toned version of your body also.
So swimming is whole body functional training, low impact.
Okay.
If I put a 1.5 kilo dumbbell on every part of my body, bicep, tricep, forearm, thighs, this, that is swimming.
Okay.
You're in water, there is water resistance. You try doing this to air it so fast. Through water is like...
You're going against the flow.
Correct. So in moving through the water, you're getting a weight training.
Okay.
It's more effort too. Low impact.
Okay.
And because it's taking your weight also, your joints will be safe. Gym has its own place, I'm not saying anything. I don't enjoy it at all. And anything which is having, I just realized, if it has a very masculine military style of workout, no, it's just not HIIT, gym. Achha, now this 10, now this 10, now this 10, now run.
But no, mom, it's
showing.
Very evident.
I was not going to shoot this weekend also. I'm just telling you the truth. I told this to Sunil. He said, "Arey, no, your team is there. You won't shut the channel, they're dependent." He's good. I said, no. I'll pay up silently next 2 or 3 months. वो मिला के 12 दिन रहेगा ना 3 महीने का, वो एक साथ करेंगे. मेरे को झटके में करने दो. And he said, you're starting this whole thing was to be consistent no matter what you shoot. This is happening because you guys started shooting last year and you went on seeing yourself. So I'm mentally trying to Photoshop. चलो कौन सा रील करेंगे अभी?
क्या करने वाले हैं लोग?
रील्स या ब्लॉग जो भी.
क्या लॉक करना है बताओ?
कुछ भी.
What do you think about YouTube, mom? What do you want us to shoot?
What do I think about YouTube is not connected to what I want to shoot actually.
Okay, what is that you want to shoot and...
Actually, as usual, I don't feel like shooting. But what do I think about YouTube? See, I'm also a subscriber. I have a YouTube Premium family account. I'm very proud of it. Why I'm proud of it is because I've seen super well-to-do friends of mine who really use YouTube, who wait through those ads which play in between. One toothpaste ad and one some mouthwash ad and then again some paint ad and then some IPL ad and then their episode comes. So, I love it to a point where I don't want ads. And I think it's a boon to mankind that there's something like YouTube. How to put a nail without a nail, how to style your hair without a dryer, how to make some, I don't know, onion curry without onion. It's brilliant for that kind of stuff. So I love YouTube. Now if it comes to, what am I offering to the world? I would just say something generic like my energy. So that's it. All means within a circle. Hyderabad is quite easy, I think, to get to know who's dating who. All are included. Okay. So that movie happened. Then Boss happened. And all were like, chalo, good. She, with the bigger hero, some part in wo sab tha uska, like, oh, nice. And then I think one poster of Boss came. They chose to put that photo. Even though I had a very small role. There was one photo with he's just doing this. And I'm like this close to his mouth with his denims and one tied up thing.
हाँ मैंने भी देखा है.
I still remember. And this manager called Manoj and he got into it. क्या मैडम एपी में कोई सो नहीं सकता कल से. इतना पास जाके साफ कर रही नाग सर something. This Hyderabadi Hindi में he said. Now everyone assumed that I was that first girl and then I met him and then I became that. So a lot of his friends came and asked him, what did you do? What did you do? She's changed so much. And he was really happy about it. He's like, all are coming and asking what I did. Okay guys, not guys, girl. This was the picture. But it was just few years ago, 2006. Just almost 1.5, 2 Kumbh Melas ago. Like 2 would be 24, so little short of that. Just a minute, guys. I got tempted because this was the whole photo.
It's not in the film. No. Oh, it's in a song.
Song.
It's in the song.
Alabasu. Mahaklasu. Alachuste. Mamasu. Lanka we shot. It was a sultry beach.
I'm liking how we're starting with YouTube.
Yeah, it'll go in some different. We are proving how we are the products of non-planning. See, there are planned things in life and there are non-planned things. And this is the divine showing proof like the best things are not planned. So we started with YouTube, of course. So we come back to what do I want to shoot for YouTube? I think that's a trick question because now I'll give you reasons why I don't want to shoot and I'm so good at it I'll convince myself that we don't need to.
But why did we start talking about Boss?
Okay, because you reminded me of my first movie.
Oh yeah.
Then you
but
said,
now you're looking like that.
Guys, the topic started
About losing weight.
because my YouTube team has been Sakshi to my journey. Lowering fat percent journey last one calendar year. And they gave me ultimate compliment saying, oh, you look like how you looked in your first film. Which is great. If you all didn't know that my first film was 21 years ago. Someone born during the year I did my first film will be 21 today, would have got his license to marry or drink or I don't know. Okay, that's how long ago it was.
And also, ma'am, I've just heard that you're doing an item song in a picture. Is that true or rumor? The team wants to know.
I got offered. And it happened around 96 hours ago. I'm a little freaked out that you got to know because the call didn't come from this state.
Oh.
It came from Karnataka. And okay, it eventually didn't fructify. There was a difference in some terms we had. But yeah, the call came.
So you're open to do item songs? Okay.
I'm doing it for free for the audience at home. Guys, in the morning I dance anyways. Just that okay, mornings mein main item nahi lagti. Not at all. Means I do look like an item, like okay, one item has come, but not like the item song item. But yeah, the spirit is intact in wanting to just dance for no apparent reason. There's a new thing I discovered. Supposedly the joy of getting into shape can kill your hunger. This is a new thing I learned. Because somehow when I was not working out, I was a lot hungrier. Like I would get very hungry and very to a point where like a crippling hunger. I can't work, I need food. Then I get tears in my eyes and again I have tea to not feel sleepy. Then I come and work. So all of that is gone. Andar se fulfillment is not letting me eat so much.
Wow. Would you like to? How are the swimming classes happening, mom?
Classes, guys. Oh God, classes for people who don't know swimming. I'm a member. I just go and swim. Yeah, but supposedly I'm not a great swimmer. I thought I'm great because 70 laps is great, right? So it's also summer and there are a lot of children aged 4 to 14. It's because of summer vacation and they come for classes and then they are learning under coaches. Now there's one coach who couldn't keep it to himself. I think he was holding all these weeks that I was going. He came and told me my form was wrong. Wrong. And I thought he has some guts telling me my form is wrong. How dare he? Apparently he didn't know I'm from the movies or an actress or Instagram or none of it. He came and asked me, "आप job करते हैं?" हाँ वो बच्चा लोग बोल रहे टीचर है. And I said, "आप तेलुगु ही है ना?" He said, "हाँ मैडम इधर से ही." ऐसे मेरा पिक्चर नहीं देखा आपने? अय्या. नहीं, you look like somebody who's kind of famous, but I didn't know it's you. अच्छा, it's you. Oh, sorry madam. Supposedly if you're famous, no one can correct you if your swimming is bad. Because he said sorry after I told him that I'm famous. But he didn't need to say sorry because my form was wrong. Corrected it, and obviously guys, I have an ego because mostly I tell people where they are wrong and then I correct and show them. I didn't like being at the receiving end of it. So now just to balance and handle my ego, I came back and checked YouTube videos on how to swim correctly. The next day he saw the change and said, "Oh, you made the correction." I didn't want him to have that, like, "Ooh, I corrected her." So I said, "Hi, I went and saw on YouTube. They showed how to swim." You swim like this, okay? And then he said, "Okay, one more thing, ma'am. Sorry, yesterday I went on Google and checked all your work." I said, "Oh, great. Now he's not going to correct me." because now he knows I'm kind of famous. You can't just go tell her your form is wrong. No, guys. Now he's even more bullish that I become a good swimmer. So he said, how many laps you did? I said 70. And I thought he's like, 70? But you took almost 2 hours. 70 laps should be in 1 hour. And just when I thought he won't correct or critique me anymore, it got more intense after he got to know that I'm kind of famous. Anyways, guys, so the 70 laps within 1 hour, I don't have that aspiration. But yeah, I corrected my form.
What else do you use YouTube for, ma'am? To learn swimming, to cook?
Yeah, guys, I even used it not to cook during lockdown. How to cook if you don't know cooking. I would search for that. So, let's say how to make upma. Simplistic, right? How to make upma. Now, what the host or the creator is not getting about cooking upma is that the one watching this video maybe never cooked upma before. I've eaten. And all my mom, everyone says it's easy, it's so easy. Arey, upma is nothing. Then she starts to take little rava, little curry leaves, little this dal, little rai ka tadka, little this, little that. And I'm thinking, shit, shouldn't something easy have only 3 things in it? Moment it crossed 5, I went in a tizzy. She like, first we take 2 onions, now we cut the onion. So guys, I had to close that window, minimize it, open another window, and then I wrote how to cut onion easily. I opened that. Then it's like, hi, welcome to our channel. So for those of you जिनको कांदा काटना नहीं आता, आज हम दिखाएंगे how to cut onion. Guys, बहुत ही easy है. Again she says it's easy. Now I start cutting. Lockdown was sad enough. मतलब कोविड था यार, बहुत उदासी वाला माहौल था, उसमें मैं ऑनियन काटना सीख रही थी. So it was a feeling like a very personal low, like the world is also low and I'm also doing this. Then I thought, okay, chuck it, no upma today. And then I would go and like how to make something easily at home, like for non-cooks and non-chefs. And guys, I still remember the first video I saw. I have been unable to find that lady again because I couldn't find. But it was by far the most funny video I have seen because she said, hi friends, भाई और बहनों, तो अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और बच्चों का स्कूल नहीं है तो वो घर पे, और मिस्टर का भी ऑफिस नहीं है तो वो भी घर पे, और पूरा दिन बोल रहे मम्मी हमको स्नैक्स खिलाओ, हमको ये खिलाओ. तो अभी मम्मी अभी परेशान हो जाती ना, क्या क्या खिलाओ बच्चों को. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्नैक बनाएंगे. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम 2 ऑनियन लेंगे. अगर आपके पास ऑनियन नहीं है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है तो फिर ऑनियन मत लो. ऑनियन नहीं है तो टमाटर लेना, टमाटर नहीं है तो टमाटर भी मत लो. एक्चुअली ये सब है ही नहीं तो पका रहे क्यों. And I just paused the video there. I didn't see the whole thing. So guys, I lost interest in cooking because even that lady looked frustrated with the lockdown. Now I remember this is how I was opening up to YouTube. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I can remember now. But I think anything very lame which I think I don't have a skill, I will go do a how to and go on YouTube. Oh yeah, I also fixed a tube light once. How to fix tube light which is high if you don't have ladder.
Help me! Help me!
Guys, which is why I'm saying it's a boon. God bless the platform. I'm just happy to be on it.